So let's start by reading example number 1. Sam tosses his keys from his apartment window, which is 240 feet above ground. After 3 seconds, the keys reach their maximum height of 288 feet above ground. Write a quadratic function that would model the path of the keys. Leave your answer in vertex form. So we should first underline this. We know we want it written in vertex form, which looks like y equals a, x minus h squared plus k. Now we have to talk about, well, we have to define what x means here and what y means here. What is going to be the independent variable? Well, does time affect my height or does height affect my time? We see that after 3 seconds, our height is 288. So I'd say my time is my independent or my x. And y is my height in feet. Now let's talk through, well, what are some important things I should underline here? Sam tosses keys from his apartment window at 240 feet above ground. Well, what is that time? That is the initial time, meaning that our x would be 0 because that's the starting point. And at the starting point, it's 240 feet above ground. Now it says after 3 seconds, they reach their maximum height of 288 feet. So our max is going to be 288. Another word for maximum is vertex. So now we need to substitute our values in. So we'll use y equals a, x minus, we'll use our numbers from here, minus 3 squared plus 288. But we need to figure out what does our a equal. So we're going to substitute our x and our y into our equation. So we'll have 240 equals a, 0 minus 3 squared plus 288. I know yesterday we really struggled with computing the right side of our equation, so my suggestion is just first subtract over the 288. That then gives us negative 48 equals a, 0 minus 3 squared. Well, what's 0 minus 3? Negative 3. And what is negative 3 squared? 9a. Now from here, I'm going to bring it over here. We'll have negative 48 equals 9a, and we divide both sides by 9. Unfortunately, that doesn't divide easily, so we have to ask ourselves, what can I divide top and bottom by? And that would be 3. So I get negative 16 over 3. I'm not done here because I need to input my a value into my equation here. So our final answer will be y equals negative 16 over 3, x minus 3